Looking for a way to better your battery business? Well, look no further than Interstate Batteries. With Interstate, you can enjoy premium, long-lasting batteries backed by over 70 years of proven trust and reliability. Did you know Interstate is the preferred battery brand of reputable techs? We offer warranty coverage at more than 100,000 locations nationwide. Get fresh products via our personalized route service. Plus, you can rely on our market-based pricing for the best battery rates. Our business is supported by decades of experience, our battery testing lab, and our green recycling program, and express delivery for your last-minute battery needs. When it comes to batteries, Interstate is a true powerhouse within the industry, featuring businesses across the US, Canada, and more. Join our network of independent auto repair shops, major automotive manufacturers, and top retailers that trust Interstate for all their battery needs. Connect with Interstate today. Speak with an account manager or visit interstatebatteries.com/dealers to better your battery business and access our nationwide network of resources, support, and long-lasting batteries.